Here we see one more example in simple interest. The question is that a man invests a certain sum of money at 6% per annum for simple interest. So here principal is not given, but money invested is 6%, rate of interest is 6% per annum, and another sum at 7% per annum for simple interest. His income from interest after 2 years was 354 rupees. It means 354 rupees after 2 years from the both the ways. Here 6% interest and here it is 7% interest. He has given in two amounts for 2 years at two different rates, 6% one and 7% another one. And the income after 2 years on both the investments is 354 rupees. So one more relation is given that from the investments from first to second, 1/4 of the first sum is equal to the 1/5 of the second sum. Okay, so that you will see later on. So find the what question is asking is find the total sum invested, means in two ways what is the amount invested, that is the question here. So in two ways you have to think different amounts is given. So first let the sum invested be x one way and y in another way. X at 6%, y at 7%, both are given for 2 years only. Okay, so in first case principal is x, n is equal to 2 years, nrt is equal to 2 years, and r is equal to 6% per annum. Then sum of interest 1 is equal to PNR by 100, RPTR by 100 is equal to P is equal to x, n is equal to r is equal to 6%. You remove the symbol by you have to place 100 here. So it is 12x by 100, this one equation. In second case, P is equal to y. Here you have taught this. So n is equal to same, r is equal to 7%. So second interest is simple interest is PNR by 100 is equal to y into 2 into 7 by 100. It is 14y by 100. This is the second equation. So, but he is given that both the interest he has acquired 354 rupees. So SI1 plus SI2 is 354 rupees given. So SI1 is equal to 12x by 100. SI2 is equal to 14y by 100. So it is equal to 354. On solving, we will get 6x plus 7y is equal to 17,700. This is equation 3. And he has given that 1/4 of the first sum equal to 1/5 of the second sum. First sum is x, second sum is y. So 1/4 of x is equal to 1/5 of the y. So 1/4 of the x is equal to 1/5 of the y. This is given. Therefore, x is equal to this 4 will come to this side, it will become numerator. 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5 into y. So substitute this x value in equation 3 here, and you will get like this equation 17,700. 15 y is 88,500. Y is equal to 1500. So substitute this value once more in this. Here we will get x is r in this. We will get like this. It is 1200. X is equal to 1200. So total sum invested is x plus y is 1200 plus 1500 is equal to rupees 2700. Okay, thank you.